Hello, welcome to Fishing with Fever. I'm your host, Big John Fever. Today I'm going to show you bacon wrapped walleye appetizers in an air fryer. Step 1, clean your fish. Step 2, pat dry your fish. Once done, cut your fish up into small bite-sized pieces. In a Ziploc bag and then add your hot sauce. Now you don't have to add hot sauce if you don't like to. I prefer hot sauce, however you could add mustard. You can just add a little bit of water if you wanted. You can add nothing if you don't want the heat. Roll them in your favorite fish batter. I'm using Killer Crumbs out of Kenora, however you can use it anytime. Lay bacon on cutting board, add your fish, add the jalapeno, roll it up, stick a toothpick through it. Proceed till you're completed all of the ones that you want to cook. Once done, go over to your air fryer, set the temperature to 390 degrees for 10 minutes. Now, temperature times may vary depending on your air fryer, however 10 minutes was the perfect amount for me. You want it this hot because you want the bacon to get nice and crispy. Once done, pull out and enjoy. Look at this. Look how amazing this is. It was even better to eat. I ate this whole plate. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe.